So today's my first birdathon, and I participated because my friend invited me. I live just 5 minutes away, but haven't been here for any events before. So the birdathon sounded like lots of fun. I have a baby here who loves listening to birds, so we thought it would be a good time to get out in the morning and walk around and visit a new place.
Birdathons, at least this one, educated me much more than what I would have known or bothered to learn by myself, with so many bird lovers and people who are interested in not just birds but butterflies and plants and other animals. And I think it's a good opportunity to try to encourage more young people as well as people my age to get involved and do more just for your own self and for nature in general.